Yo, what's going on, traders? It's Rafael back at the charts again with another banger today. Cause today we made another beautiful trade. Oh please don't call me right now. I don't have time for a call. Anyways, I was able to make $19,000, nearly $20,000 profit, and I was risking around 8K. Unfortunately, I wanted to risk like 50 grand, but I was still in a restaurant when this setup appeared. I was eating some chicken with vegetables and stuff with pepper sauce. Mwah. And yeah, I watched the chart. I wanted to see a manipulation. I wanted to see an entry scenario that is interesting for me. I want to see that some people getting stopped out, some people get tricked into the market. And yeah, I was watching my phone, and when this setup appeared, I twisted my phone, pressed the sell button super quick, just had 20 lots in there, but the market was moving so fast I was not willing to put another 80 lot in the market because it was already moving. Like, yeah, I had my entry with 20 lot instead of 100. Pretty sad because this trade was beautiful, but anyways, we risked 8,000, made nearly 20, which is around 2.5 the risk that I took, and that's amazing. That's all we need. That's all we need, guys. So what happened in here? Well, this is yesterday's movement in here on the left side. As you can see, we caught a nice buy in here yesterday. Market was pushing even more than that. I mean, I expected that, but no, I didn't want to stay in front of the screen for hours and hours to see what the market does. So just took my trade, got in and out, and that's it. And today, same thing, guys. Took me around 1 hour of observation, and then this trade, like the first profits I took was around, man, I was getting in at around 9:35, and I took first profits around 10 or something, like 25 minutes. I let it run for 25 minutes. Yeah, something like that. Around 25 minutes I took my first profits, took 80% off the table in here, and then I closed everything out in here on the next hurdle. I was aiming for the 14,000 level. I told everybody probably going to hit 14,000. But I'm happy with my profit in here. Like, I'm happy with it, so I'm taking it. My accuracy is over 50%. I'm around 65-75% hit rate, and with an average of 2 to 1. What else do you need? Come on, I mean, do the math. Guys, you're gonna make crazy money. You just need a 50% accuracy with a 1 to 2 risk reward. That's all you need to print money in these markets like crazy. And yeah, with the right knowledge, with the right entry scenario, you have this easy. So guys, what was happening in here? Let me see on the 1 minute chart. You see during London how we built up this beautiful downward structure, and none of these highs got taken out, and these last 3 highs in here, just beautiful. What do you think retail traders are going to do if the market slash through these highs? What they do? The sellers probably get stopped out and become buyers, and breakout artists, they want to buy because they think the market's going to fly up, so they're gonna buy as well. So they created a lot of buying pressure in here, but then they bring the price back down. So all the buyers, the other side of the market are the sellers, right? The sellers bring price down, which is probably the liquidity providers, the big banks who are creating the liquidities and stuff. And so they had a lot of business going on in this area, bring the price down, slash down again. And I'm sure a lot of sellers got into the market already with stop above the high. And then the market made that quick push up. Let's check the 15-second chart so you can see what was happening in here. So they absorbed all the buyers, then they bring price down, tricked a lot of sellers into the market, stopped them all out, and this reaction was what was all I wanted to see. On the 1 minute chart it looked crazy, and I was like, damn, let's pull the trigger quick, because the market was like bam bam, and I was like, okay, that's it, they're gonna bring price down. And I expected that, really, because we already took out yesterday's high. You see, we already took it out, and these two lows in here would be the next zone where the market can do business. So I expected that drop. I wanted to buy somewhere in here, but it keeps dropping and dropping. I don't know, maybe it will not turn around today. It's Thursday, maybe it's just going to drop today. Anyways, we catch that market on the sell side with a beautiful drop, guys. I mean, look at this risk reward ratio around 3.5, even 4.2. What else do you need? I mean, a 2-to-1 is enough. I mean, and this one got hit with ease. You see that? 2-to-1 was easy, and it's always easy. I mean, if you have a nice entry scenario that you trade, you're gonna have an easy 2-to-1 average risk reward ratio, and if you have 50% accuracy, you're just printing money. It's like crazy. So that's all you need, guys. If you need my advice, if you need my help, if you're looking for guidance, please check the link down below. In the description you'll find the private chat to Telegram. That's the only way you can reach out to me, okay? I have a lot of valuable stuff to share with you. When I have time, I'm going to answer you. So make sure to drop me a message if you're new here, and join my free Telegram channel as well. And check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. This is where I've put all my stuff inside, all the strategies, risk management system, trade management systems, everything you need to become a consistently profitable trader. Check it out, link will be in the description down below as well. I've shared this trade only with my students, so yeah, if you're not inside the inner circle yet, get the Genius Trading Masterclass course, learn from the best, and become profitable, guys. That's it. Wish you a great day, and see you in the next one. Peace. Every now and then, why you